Give the eraser, give the sharpener, take your meal, take your food, bring my umbrella, get up, brush your teeth, have a shower, look at me, look at the sun, look at the stars, look at the moon, the twinkle stars at night. I look the rainbow is a variety colors. The man is very hungry. The man is very honest. The baby is sleeping. The girls are swimming in the pond. The birds are flying in the sky. How are you? I am fine, thank you. When will you come here? I am thinking that I should come here 2 days after. The butterfly has a very beautiful and colorful wings. The mosquito shoots brush from our health. The grasshopper always moves on the grass. The honeybee makes honey. And the ant bite to me bitterly and loudly. The sun gives us light and moves around the earth. Please take care to your skin. Fruit is a helpful for our body. The man is very angry. The girl can swimming and she can sing. And the boy can dance. The man is coming here. Please call me back. Why are you returning here? I found him. He is grabbing for the fingers of his son. He lost his umbrella. The man lost his new valuable umbrella. He has lost his valuable pens. I have bought the umbrella. I have a new car. I shall go to the Acropolis Mall. I get up ready for the new market.